Yes, hello everyone. Today we learn selection statement in Python programming. Selection statement is easy in Python programming. Yes, if so we know about C++, and Java programming, it's so easy to learn Python selection. That help if yes if yes. Today I will show you an example step by step, easy to learn. Yes, okay, start. First I have a whiteboard. Yes. This number A. And number B. Yes. So I comment. Yeah, the first A is sorry. Yes, run. You can see number A. Two. Yeah, you can see letter A greater than letter B. Yes, you can see. This is the syntax and the way to write if statement in Python. And then I saw if else statement. US statement. Yes, I have so rival. And J. Yes, and then erase. Yes, you can see. And then I print yes, I print for easy to know. Yes. Sorry. If L. Yes, print for everyone easy to know. Okay, and then if I J print just I J and then to write L print I print not work. So when I run, okay, the first if statement. Yeah, continue to if else statement. If else statement, I put as like this. Yeah, you can see. If L, yes, I is less than J, yes, because I is 9 and J 23, yes. But when again print, yes, it print no not work because yes, because I is less than J, yeah. Oh, this condition I less than J, print I less than J, but I input the number I greater than J, yeah, greater than J, it means this condition fail. If this condition fail, and then it print L, yes, yes. Oh, the last one I show else statement. Sorry, I delete to show, yes, example. Number if A equal 1, yes, equal print U correct number 1, yes. If sorry, A equal 2, I print U enter number 2, yes. If A equal 3, print U number 3, yes. And L it means all condition not true, it print L, yes, print, yes. I show this is L. Print, yes. Enter number 2. Yeah, you can see you insert number 2, yes. And then number 3, yeah, number 3, yes. Enter number 5. Okay. This is L, it means print L. This is the way to write else statement in Python programming, yes. If condition is true, it print you enter it number 1. If condition true, it print number 2, yes. But if this condition fail, it process to check condition 2, and then it fail to check condition 3, yes. Check until L, yes. Thank you.